pagngiti ay isang napakagandang paraan para i-transmit natin ang pagmamahal ng Diyos sa isa't isa. At mind you, libre po yan, walang bayad niya. Kaya smile all you can. Smile to all the people around you. And I tell you, you will have friends. Isang pagtripan mo lang, katabi mo sa jeep, katabi mo sa bus, bilang meeting lang. Siguro sabihin, ito, mabalik. Pero that means, I love you. That means I want you. That means we are friends. And the deeper sense of that means, I am happy because I am God. I have God. And I want to give that happiness. I want to share happiness to you. Saint Felipe Neri,
Pray for us.